Hello everyone and welcome to our Gyproc drywall installation guide. Today we'll explore the world of high-performance drywall systems to create spaces that are both beautiful and functional. I'm your host Caleb Jensens, and today we'll be unpacking the secrets behind Gyproc's versatile drywall solutions. Have you ever wondered which type of plasterboard suits the needs for your project? Understanding what is the right type of Gyproc plasterboard for each room is critical for a successful project. In studio today we have Farai Mohamba, who will unpack the different plasterboards for us. Hi Farai, how are you doing?
I'm all right. It's my pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much for joining us today. So will you please just tell us about the different plasterboards that you have in front of you?
Caleb, most users actually wonder which type of board to use where. So we will try to unpack that today. So we'll start off with this board. This is standard rhino board.
So any consumer of Gyproc has probably already used or knows of this plasterboard.
That is correct, Caleb. You'll find this board predominantly used in partition walls for offices. Then the next board that we have is Firestop board. Firestop board is an improvement of the standard board. It offers improved fire performance.
So two quick questions. I'm assuming this means that we'd be using this plasterboard in regards to creating fire barriers around houses where we're wanting to stop the movement of fire.
That is correct.
And then I'm also noticing that we're using different colors for different boards. Is that an indicator of their different attributes?
The different colors are used for ease of identification. And this board, in addition to what you said, is used in tenant separating walls where you want to contain fire. The next board that we have is sound door board. And from the name, this board offers improved acoustic performance.
So we'd probably be using this board right here in this very studio.
That is correct. You also find this board used in cinemas, in schools, where there is need for improved acoustic performance. The next board that we have is called Duraline. This board offers improved impact performance.
So consumers would probably use this board potentially in hotels or motels with guests passing through with all of their luggage where they're probably knocking against walls.
That is correct. In addition to that, you'll also find it in schools where the users have got little care or little incentive to exercise care. Right. The next board that we have
is also yellow.
This board is called Rhino Tough. It also offers improved impact performance, but there's an additional benefit to this particular board. You can fix directly to the board.
So if I wanted to hang up a TV, this is the board I'd get.
This is the board that you will get. The next board that we have is called moisture resistant board.
So I'm assuming we're going to be using this in kitchens or bathrooms, anywhere where there's an abundance of moisture in the air.
Yes, the name says it all. Moisture resistant board. So you use it in those particular areas. The last board that we have here today is Gyproc X board. Gyproc X board is an exterior type gypsum board.
So anytime we're building anything outside, that's when we would use this board.
That is correct. We use this board to clad exterior walls as well as exterior ceilings.
Well, thank you so much for answering my questions. Visit our website for more information and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.